strengths, our weaknesses, so that we develop. So today we are going to demonstrate Surya Namaskaras, which are a bunch of 12 to 13 asanas, which will help us to develop our physical, physiological, psychological, sociological and spiritual awareness. And I would suggest you all to practice it. Actually, we wanted to have it for 10 minutes, so we are given only 3 minutes. So I request all the students to practice this and demonstrate this program for 3 times. This is a combination of 13 asanas which we have taken from Vikanyas. Actually, there are so many yoga associations. This is called Samasthiti. I will explain you one time, 2 times they will be doing it. Yes. Feet slightly apart. There should be 2 inches distance between the feet. Stand straight. Relax yourself. Bring your awareness to your breathing. Close your eyes. Relax yourself and get ready for Surya Namaskaras. The difference between yoga and other physical activities is whenever you change the position, you will concentrate and do the breathing. Either you inhale or exhale depending on the moment. As per the yoga, there are a few golden rules. Whenever you bend backwards or your breath in, you will take the breath in. Whenever you bend forward, you will breath out. Please see that and observe. Yes. In first asana, take Namaskar with normal breathing. Now, second Hastottanasana, inhale and raise your arms up slowly and bend backward. Keep your eyes open. 2 Padahastasana, exhale, bend forward. Bend as much as possible without overstretching your body. 3 Aswasanchalanasana, inhale on your left leg. Keep your left leg forward, right leg backward. Hands on the sides of your left toe. Look up with inhalation. Others, please don't do it. 4 exhale, Dandasana. Take your feet back. Put the entire body weight on your hands or shoulders. Keep your body straight. 5 Shashankasana. Rest your knees on the ground. Keep your forehead on the ground. Relax here. You will go for inhale and exhale. Normal breathing. 6 Sashtanga Namaskar. Keep your chin, chest and knees on the ground. Raise your buttocks with exhalation. 7 Bhujangasana. Cobra posture, raise up with inhalation. 8 Parvatasana, mountain posture with exhalation. 9 again Shashankasana with normal breathing. 10 Ashwasanchalanasana on your right side with inhalation. Legs should go forward. 11 Padahastasana, exhale. 12 Hastottanasana, inhale. And 13 again come back to Namaskarasana with normal breathing. Now come back to Sthiti. Now we will do it little faster. One more time. 1 Namaskarasana, inhale and exhale. 2 Hastottanasana, inhale. 3 Parvatottasana, exhale, bend forward. 4 Ashwasanchalanasana on your left leg, inhale. 5 Dandasana, exhale. 6 Shashankasana, inhale and exhale. 7 Namaskara, Sashtanga Namaskarasana, exhale. 8 Bhujangasana, inhale. 9 Parvatasana, exhale.